welcome back to Jazz Hands. Today we are doing a summery holiday set of nails for the mother-in-law. This is actually an old set of nails that I just haven't got around to posting. Basically, I was super critical of the bit of nail art that I did on these. I was like, no, I'm not posting them. But actually, in the grand scheme of things, the nails themselves are really pretty, and as I have always said from the beginning of my channel, I have never claimed to be an expert and fantastic at every little thing I do. So I thought, you know what? I liked how these came out, apart from a tiny bit of nail art that didn't go quite to plan, and she really liked them as well. So why shouldn't I post this? So here I am. I'm editing, I'm filming, I'm sharing. We're going to enjoy. So, like I said, these nails are for her holiday. That was a couple of months ago. So we wanted to do something really more simple than normal, so we went with a really pretty pale blue. This is perfect for all year round. I particularly love it at winter. It is that icy winter wonderland blue. It looks amazing with like iridescent pigments and glitters, just as a side note. So yeah, we're going to do 3 smile lines. I'm only going to show you what I do on one hand because I just replicate the same thing on the other one, and to be brutally honest, I didn't think you'd want to see it twice. It just doubles how much time you have to watch a video for, and quite frankly, it's exactly the same thing on both hands, so I didn't see the point in you having to watch through all of that. So, I'm just going to show you the one hand. Smile lines are normally the bane of my life, however, these came out really quite well. This video is ever so slightly sped up, but only by a little bit. Halfway through, I like to just measure up and make sure that everything's looking okay, then make any adjustments if need be. The thumbnails I always find the easiest to do smile lines on. I don't know why, they just are. I like using a long liner brush, particularly because you can really get it to bend and move with you. I wish you could see my hand movements as I'm moving my hands around. But yeah, I just find that it works the best. These are acrylic infills. She had filed the length down on them herself, so we'd lost the shape and we didn't have a huge amount to work with, and at the time I didn't have any forms or anything with me to build them out more, so I have filed them down shorter than we do normally, just to sort of get that shape as squarey as possible. So yeah. But no, I'm just going to carry on perfecting these smile lines. I could sit and fiddle around for ages. We didn't really want them to be thick smile lines, but we didn't want them to be too skinny either. So once we've done the smile lines, I've then popped it in the lamp to cure. God, you guys are really having me talk at you. It's like I haven't done a voiceover in a while. So, soz. We're then going to go in with, I think this is the sort of natural build base coat from Ugly Duckling. Reason being is I needed a tacky layer to put my foil leaf on for the nail art, which is what I'm about to do now. Oh no, I lie. I'm going back in with the blue. I'm doing some random splodgy bits of blue just all over the nail as an accent nail, just to tie in some of the other colour into these nails. Not being too meticulous there, I wanted them to have a little bit of like a textured edge, which is why I'm using little tapping motions, and I'm just splodging them wherever I think, really. And then cure that in the lamp too. Then I'm going to take my Aurum foil leaf. This is one from Raven Cosmetics. It's my favourite foil leaf ever. I have all of the colours. They are all gorgeous. I love this one particularly because it's like a champagne gold. It's not a really, really bronzy gold. It's sort of like a yellow. It's got a yellow tone to it, like a yellowy white tone, and it's just chef's kiss. Gorgeous. Love it. So I'm going to place that just around the nail wherever I see fit. I like to tip it out so I can take smaller bits. I can break it up if I need to. And I actually thought on this middle finger there was a bit too much blue, so I'm adding more gold in the centre just to break up that blue so it's not so big and chunky. So I'm going to do that on all of them. And then I'm going to take my black gel paint. No, this is not gel paint. My black potted gel from Ugly Duckling. The reason I think it's gel paint is, one, because it's in a pot and it's just so pigmented. and we're going to do the nail art, and this is where I was having issues. I never want to draw leaves again. For the life of me, I just can't get them right. So if anyone has any tips on how to draw leaves, let me know in the comments, because I would greatly appreciate them. Whilst the nails themselves, they came out nice. The end result was nice. I can't get over the leaves. I don't know how to do leaves. They just looked a bit too splodgy, and the tips on them weren't quite leaf-like. Don't know if I'm making any sense, so I'm going to let you watch me fumble around painting these leaves on, and then we'll be back for the finishing touches. And of course the final step is to top coat these. We are going for a super shiny, no wipe top coat, just to make these really beautiful and stand out. Like I said, the leaves they're not horrendous, they're just, I think it's me being a bit critical. The top coat and the foil and everything and the bits of colour, I think it all it brings it all together, and I do really like how these turned out. I think they are perfect for going on holiday. They're a little bit different to some of the other things that we've done, and yeah, I love a super shiny top coat, and I just love that foil leaf. Yeah, I don't know how helpful this video has been for anyone. It's mostly just been me mumbling away, but oh look, there was a fluffy bit on here. I'm taking some cleanser on a cotton pad just to remove that sticky fluffy bit, because we don't want to trap that in our final top coated bit. And you can just see how good that shine is and what it does for the nails. I love it. So yeah, we're going to top coat, pop that into the lamp. The final step is obviously cuticle oil. I have been working on a cuticle oil formulation. If you hadn't seen my last video, if you haven't, you won't know. I now produce my own bath and body products, and one of the things that I am working on is cuticle oils, because I'm also a nail tech. And I know how important oiling those cuticles is. So this is one of my own that I've been testing out. And she loves this one. It is like a cherry bakewell scent. It's gorgeous. So we're cuticle oiling everything up, and then I'm just this is the finished set. So yeah, really random video. I really hope you guys have liked it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.